everyone. This is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and today is Ritual Tuesday. Today I'm going to give you a simple money magic spell or money magic ritual that will usher in abundance. Now, the only thing you're going to need for this ritual is cinnamon, a dollar bill, and guess what? Your wallet. Now listen, watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know I love to throw in some extra simple tips. Now before we get started, if you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is the Law of Attraction Manifestation channel that focuses on rituals, manifesting techniques, all in one place. Whether we're talking about affirmations, scripting, bay leaves, prayer work, cinnamon, listen, everything is right here. If you want more videos like this, all you have to do is like, subscribe, tap the bell, but most of all, just keep watching the videos. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about this simple ritual that you can basically do within a couple of minutes? Now, a lot of people like cinnamon. Cinnamon in Feng Shui is one of the herbs that we use to bring in abundance. Whether we're blowing it in our home, washing our hands, whatever it is we're doing, a lot of people love cinnamon and they get results. Now, this technique here involves you keeping the cinnamon on you. And guess what? You're going to surround it with something that represents money. Now listen, you can use fake money, real money. I tend to use a dollar bill because I don't want to think later on, oh my God, I used $100 and now I need to use it. No, because then that will reverse whatever it is that you're trying to do. So if you're going to do this, use a dollar bill or use whatever form of money in your country. Now, another thing, again, is that you can use fake money. And again, it's just about setting the intention out there. So now, what are you going to do? You're going to first cleanse the money. You might want to say a prayer over it. As I hold this money in my hand, this dollar bill in my hand, I am cleansing away whatever it is that may be on there that could be blocking my abundance. I'm clearing away all the impressions that other people placed on this dollar as I use it for this ritual. Something simple as that. Some people like to just flare it in the air and say it. Some people like to light sage and then bring it over the sage. Whatever it is, but a simple prayer is good enough. Now, the next thing you're going to do, for me, I like to place the money down in front of me, long ways, okay? Long ways, not this way, but the face facing up towards me, but up, but the long way like that. And I am going to show you how to do this. The next thing I do is that I sprinkle a little bit of water on the dollar bill. Now, you can wet it a little slightly. It's just slightly, everyone. You could draw a line. You can wet it, whatever you want to do. Sometimes I will actually dip the money in the water, okay, and then shake it off. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the cinnamon and you're going to sprinkle the cinnamon on the dollar bill. Now, for me, I like to, after I sprinkle the cinnamon on the dollar bill, I like to put the cinnamon in a line. And then I take my finger and I draw a line coming towards me. Again, coming towards me, not going away. Now, sometimes I make a little arrow at the end as it's coming towards me, okay? And it is just that simple. Now, I will tell you, as you're doing this, you might want to say a prayer again. Like, as I place the cinnamon on this dollar bill, I am setting the intent for abundance to come to me. As I draw this line from this cinnamon towards me, money comes to me in an expected and unexpected way. Abundance comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. Now, the reason I say abundance, because again, money don't always come to you as money. It may come to you as an opportunity, a pay raise, a career hike, opening your own business, writing that first book. Whatever it is, when we say abundance, abundance is just things coming to you, bringing in that prosperity. Once you do that, what are you going to do? You're going to take the dollar bill and you're going to fold it towards you, okay? Okay, so remember, it's the long way. So it's still wet. I want it to still be wet, okay? You're going to fold it towards you, okay? Then you're going to turn it. Then you're going to fold it towards you. Then you're going to turn it. and then you're going to fold it towards you. So at the end, it's going to be about this big, okay? Because it's wet, it's going to dry in this position with the cinnamon inside. Now, what are you going to do with this? You're going to take it and you're going to put it wherever you keep your money, okay? And you're just going to leave it there. You can place it with your dollar bills, or you can place it in the coin section of your wallet and place it in there. Now, sometimes I even put it where my credit cards are, where I won't lose it. And guess what, you guys? I did this technique so many times, I've actually left it in there for years. So now let me show you quickly what this actually looks like. As I hold this money in my hand, I am clearing away all negative impressions that might be on this money from other people touching it. I am clearing away all negative intentions from myself touching this money. As I use this money for this ritual, this money right here is set to bring in abundance in expected and unexpected ways. As I place this cinnamon on this dollar bill, I am expecting money and abundance to come to me in expected and unexpected ways. This money is now being sealed to bring in money in expected and unexpected ways. Wherever this money goes, abundance goes. Anything that I use now in my wallet is ushering abundance. For every dollar bill that goes out, it returns to me tenfold. As I place this in my wallet is now set. It is now blessed to bring in prosperity. And so it is. And that is all it is, everyone. Now listen, to add an extra tip, because for those people that are still here, you can actually take a little bit of sea salt, little sprinkles, and you can sprinkle it in the area where you have this cinnamon dollar bill. Why? Because sea salt cleanses away negativity. It is known in feng shui as a protector. Also, as something bringing in abundance. Why? Because it's clearing away all the negativity. So this is a simple tip that you can actually use to bring in abundance. If you want more rituals like this, only thing you have to do is watch the next video and support the channel by liking and subscribing. And to get notification of my videos, don't forget to tap the bell. Again, if you want to know anything about my world of metaphysics, visit my online shop. Everything is in the description, and namaste.